Let's make AMAPIANO on FL Studio Mobile. But first, like and comment and subscribe and hit the notification bell so they can be notified each and every time I post, and share this video to all your friends. So I got on my FL Studio Mobile and then I edited a song on the file and I look for it, I can't find it. I reload multiple times, I still can't find it. So I got out because the song was an M4A, not an MP3. Then I moved to N-Track. The whole reason I moved to N-Track is because I wanted to change it and make it an MP3. As you can see, it's Java that, well, it's an MP4, M4A. So I uploaded and then remade it to Java and then save it to FL Studio Mobile. Now let's go back to FL Studio Mobile and make a beat. Now here's the trick. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press right here and then add that file. It's like a great drum pattern that's ever made. So first I'm gonna put it on the right BPM, 120, 112. Then I cut this part and then cut this part. See, it's not clashing, so I did good. Now let's go look for some lock drums. I like it, so I'm gonna add that shit. So I'm gonna go all the way down for a deeper sound, you know, that angry loud drum. Then I copy it and paste it on a different side. Then I add some extra spice. Now next I'm gonna add another lock drum sample to make a lock drum a little bit more punchy or to have a little bit of bass. So I'm gonna copy that and then put it on a different track and change it a bit and make it a little bit different. And make sure this sample is not louder than the first one. Now I'm gonna do something crazy, something that I learned from Mellow and Sleazy. A shaker hi-hat. So now here I'm gonna make their volumes not to be equal and duplicate them so that they can delay. Just like that, done. Hopefully this is gonna sound sweet though. Now let me stretch it and then I decrease the volume to make sure the sound is not everywhere. Enough talking, let's play this one. Damn, so I did it. I did that Mellow and Sleazy trick. So now we add a snare to help a lock drum. And believe me when I tell you that a snare really helps a lock drum. It really does. What I mean by is helping a lock drum is that you put it on the same key but on the same pattern too. Not on the same key as the lock drum, on the same key as the straight line. I didn't like that one, so I changed it to this one. Melody time, so I decided to add this organic egg organ to this track. So we're gonna make it simple pattern. It's gonna look a bit like them hi-hats but a little bit different, and make sure the volume is not equal to like them hi-hats. Now we're gonna copy it and move it out and duplicate it multiple times. No change of key. Now straight to get played, player. Now we're on some orchestra. It's either I can't read or pronounce, so we're gonna use an accordion from orchestra. If I'm saying it right, comment down below. This time we're gonna use an usual AMAPIANO pattern that most of my piano producers use. So I add a multi-effects reverb, then I add parametric EQ, low cut, 200 cut H, then I add a graphic EQ, then I equalize them. Then I copy these and multiply them. Now here's a slide effect trick. You press it, then you go to toggle slide, and then it's gonna change, and then you decide whether you're gonna take it all the way up, you want it to pitch up or down. You can make it lower by putting it under the note like this, and make sure you move it where you can actually pitch it like this. Now let's put this beat together and make it a song. I'm gonna cut this part and then cut this one too. Then I add some effects, sound effects. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment.